To start get paid to test websites from home, you must be good with technology and have excellent communication skills. You'll also need basic tools, such as a computer with a microphone and camera, have an internet connection, and an up-to-date web browser, such as Google Chrome or Firefox. Some businesses even permit testers to use a smartphone or tablet. Most tests take 5 to 25 minutes and pay an average of $10 each test. Here are my picks for 7 sites that will pay you to test out websites. 1. Respondent. Respondent is a platform for research studies that offers surveys, focus group studies, and website testing tasks. To begin, sign up using your email address. Then provide your contact information, demographic information, and employment status. When everything is finished, you may begin looking for projects and applying for those that sound interesting. There was one internet testing gig paying $40 for 20 minutes and another paying $100 for 60 minutes. 2. GigWalk. Earn money by testing websites for GigWalk. Feedback sessions run about 30 minutes and pay $10 per session. This opportunity is available to people all over the world. All you need is a PayPal account, a PC, smartphone, or tablet, a good internet connection, and the ability to communicate in English or Spanish. 3. Pong. Pong pays you to evaluate websites and apps. According to their website, you can earn between €10 and €100 every interview. Payment is made 7 days after the interview and is distributed using TransferWise or PayPal. You must have a computer with a webcam and microphone, as well as a stable internet connection. This chance is available to people from all over the world. 4. Testing time. You may earn money by taking part in video call studies, in-person research, and simple surveys through testing time. Each test will pay you a stipend for your time, with the amount varying according to the duration and topic content. After passing the test or studying, you will be paid within 10 days by PayPal or direct deposit. Testing time is available to anyone in the world who has a reliable internet connection and a computer. 5. User interview. You may earn money for user testing. Surveys, online interviews, diary studies, focus groups, and online studies with user interviews. The amount you'll earn varies depending on the duration and type of study. According to its website, the earning range was between $20 to $1,500 per study. Most people qualify for a study in less than a day. User interviews now allows participants from the United States, Canada, Australia, South Africa, Germany, France, and the United Kingdom. 6. User testing. Earn $4 each 5-minute test and $30 to $120 per live interview. To get started, submit your email address and apply online to become a website tester. Before obtaining any assignments, aspiring testers must take a practice test. This employment is open to citizens of the United States and other countries who can accept PayPal payments. 7. GigWalk. GigWalk is a smartphone software that rewards users for completing a range of brief tasks, such as website testing gigs. This mobile software is compatible with both Android and iPhone devices. Tasks range in pay from $3 to $100 and might take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete. Payments are made using PayPal. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.